in this video, I will show you how to schedule an email in Outlook. So before we get started with the video, please don't forget to check out the links in the description for bonuses and resources we share with our viewers. So to get started, go ahead and open Outlook on your device. And then to create an email, go ahead and click on this new email button at the top left of your screen. So this will pop on your screen. So in here, go ahead and select or enter the recipient to whom you want to send this email to. So after you enter the recipient, you can go ahead and incorporate the subject along with the message that you have for the specific individual. So I'll simply enter that in here. So the subject is very necessary since this will allow that specific individual to know if the email is urgent. Now click on this drop down on the send button and then click on schedule send, and then from here you can go ahead and custom time or select from your available message schedule and then click on that send button to schedule sending this message to that individual. So you'll find the message on the draft, but once this message was sent on your selected time and date, the message will now be moved into the sent items tab. And that's basically how you can schedule an email in Outlook. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to check out the links in the description for bonuses and resources we share with our viewers.